Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. How's it going, guys? I'm Stephen. It's Friday the 4th of February. It's my morning walk. I'm out with the little guys. We've got 8 dogs and it's freezing today. Freezing. I'm not even exaggerating. To scrape the windscreen off this morning and I'm triple layered up. But the dogs are in good form. They're quite happy. So stay with us, we'll show you our fun and hopefully you won't see me shivering too much. Okay, so today we have with us Alfie, Jet, Barney, Elsa, Ruby, Maggie, Charlie with a nice new collar, and Biscuit. That's the pack for today. Look at that pose, Ted. Who have you spotted? Oh yeah, there is a dog. There is a dog. You on high alert, bud? Hey Maggie. Hi Zee. Hello Trouble. Hello. Hello. How are ya? How are ya? Oh, I'm being attacked. I'm being attacked. Ah! Ah! Twirl. 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 It's funny how they go different ways. Twirl. Twirl. One more for the camera. Twirl. Twirl. Okay. We're just messing around a little bit with the dogs, letting them play. Maybe winding them up a little bit, trying to rev them up, and then bringing them back down and just relaxing them. And all of that time, Ruby's having a good sniff around, just enjoying herself. That noise you can hear there, that lets each other know that they're not going to hurt each other. I don't know if you've ever noticed that with dogs playing before. Can you hear it? It's like someone clearing their throat. Hey Charlie, you've just had a bath. Hey, I'm responsible for you while you're out. No dirtiness. Maggie. Yes, puppy. You're so quick. Yes, good girl. Good girl. Get your breath, Elsa. You're working hard. You're working hard. Let's go and get Ruby and then we'll go on our way. Oh, Charlie's starting a chase. Hang on. The boy's off. He's off. You're amazing, buddy. Good boy. Good boy. Hey. Hey. Good boy, Alf. Right, let's cross the bridge. Up here, Barney, good. Oh, here's trouble. Here's trouble. Here's trouble. Hi, gang. Hello. Hello. Up. You too. Come on. Come on. What's this? Good Alfie. No fear. No fear. You going up? Sit nice. You sit nice. You sit nice. Come on, sit down. Good boy. Good boy. Say bye-bye to everybody. Say bye-bye to everyone, guys. Thanks for watching this week. We'll see you on our next walk. Take care.